I'm Marianne Elise and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I have another wig. I've been wanting to try a wig like this for so long. And every time I find one that I like, it sells out. So I finally found one and we're gonna try it today. So here's the wig. This is the Anabel wig by Outre. I hope it's not blurry. I think it's blurry. Hold on, let's see. I don't know, but I'm gonna take her out. But it comes in this. I don't think it's a new wig. It's not a new wig. I know for sure it's not new. But I've been wanting to try a crimp wig for the longest, and every time I find one, it sells out so quick. And it sells out in the 1B color because I want it in black. So this one was on sale for Black Friday and I got it. I'm so excited. Okay. This is their lace front wig in the crimp wave style with HD transparent lace. It takes heat up to 400 degrees and it's in the color 1B. So those are all of the things. So yeah, I just took this out the pack and it is long. Like, I did not know that this was this long. I should have known because start card, it looks long on her, but this is long, okay? I love long hair, so I didn't expect it to be this long. I'm excited. Here's the stock card up close so you can get a better look at her. And here are all the colors that it comes in. So it comes in a whole bunch of colors if you want to switch it up, but I just got it in black, so yeah. Here's the wig out of the hairnet. Y'all, this is so pretty. Oh my, look at how long. I don't even know how to, like, how do I show y'all how long this is? Look at how long this is. Wow, the hair is very silky. I'm not gonna run my fingers through it too much because it's crimp, and yeah, but y'all look, okay, a little tangly. Oh, it's going through. It went through. I don't see any shedding. It's going through. It's a long wig, so long hair, synthetic hair usually tangles. This was only like $25, I think, so y'all, this is really good, okay? It's really good. It looks like human hair. It looks like real human hair, okay? Oh my goodness. So the cap looks like it's a really nice size. It comes with 2 combs over here and 1 comb in the back. Love that. The lace is just one little part that you're working with, which is great for beginners. Once again, if you don't like lace, this is not bad because literally it's just one little strip of lace. Put some makeup on that and cut the lace off and you're good to go. So looking at the front of this, it says it's HD, but it does look a little light. I don't know. It looks a little light. I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to put makeup on it because it's, I don't know, you can still see the lace on top of my hand, so it's not really transparent, for real. It comes with some baby hairs. I like that the baby hairs are not too much, so you can cut them off or keep them, and the part is very natural and it's very flat at the top, and I love that. So I'm gonna cut the lace off real quick and pop it on. Oh my goodness, there's so much hair. Hold up. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of hair, y'all. First off, I want to say the wig fits so good on my head. I'm so happy. It is big head friendly. The cap stretches all the way. All right, it's on my head. Like, what? Look how flat it's sitting. Wow, okay, hold on, y'all, I got hair. This hair is so pretty, but it is super long, like super long. I'm gonna probably put a picture on the screen of how long it is because this is some long hair. It's probably like almost 40 inches, 36. I've had 36 inch hair before, so it's like 36, 40. But look at this. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look at this. I love this so much. So the lace is a little light and it's a little hard. So I don't mind hard lace. I really don't have a preference off of a hard lace. It's not too hard, but it's, you know, more stiff. This is cute. I think I am losing the crimps towards the bottom, so kind of scares me. But the top is really, really cute. I'm gonna try to back. It's just a lot of hair. So in the summer, don't go outside. But in the winter, which is, you know, the fall, whatever, I think this is perfect for that. It's really pretty. It's giving deep wave, water wave. I don't know. It's so pretty. And it comes like all the way down on my head. I just gotta cut the lace off and I'll be right back. So, oh my goodness, y'all. So I cut the lace off and look at this. This is so pretty. I feel like Rapunzel. I feel like Rapunzel, like Rapunzel. The part, once I cut the lace, I was like, okay, yeah, this is, I don't know if it looks light on camera, but it's very thin, like in person. So I would probably want to get some tweezers, maybe pluck a little bit just to widen it up a little bit, because it is really thin and I don't want it to look wiggy. And also it is light, so I do want to put some makeup on it and put some powder in the part. So I'm just gonna put powder in it to see if that helps before trying to pluck anything. But yeah, so that's that. But it's not bad, like it's not blendable. I cut the lace around it, and these are my real edges out because, you know, I did my real edges today. But this is how the lace, like you can see how light it is right here. If I didn't do my edges, I could have pulled them back and had the wig out or whatever. But I'm just gonna cut this off, and I'm just gonna have to finesse it and leave my real edges out, because y'all, me and wig baby hair, sometimes they just don't get along. We just don't get along. And if I really wanted to, I could like trick people and just like pull the wig back and have my real edges out like that. So yeah, that's how you trick them, just like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix this part and we can come back and see what to do. So right here, I'm putting some makeup in the part, and I'm also using my comb to pull some hair out. So instead of plucking, I decided to actually just do the pull out method, where I just part it and just pull strands out, strand by strand. I find this easier for me because sometimes when I pluck, I be ripping my lace, so I feel like pulling the strands out is so much easier and safer for people who don't know how to pluck. As soon as I started to do this, the part widened up a lot more, which I like because it was really thin. And after doing this, I went ahead and put more makeup in the part, and it blends so much better. I also noticed that I did have some extra lace still there in the rest of the video. So after the video, I did go ahead and cut that off, but I did notice it after I finished filming. So I apologize, but I promise it looks so good now. So yeah. So yeah, so I just pulled out some hair and I put some powder in it, and this is what we're gonna make work for now. Later I will probably go back and put foundation in it and maybe pluck out the part a little bit more. But this is just to show y'all it doesn't take much to do a synthetic wig, and these are just very affordable ways to do your hair. That's the point of getting these wigs, and I love it so much because it really just resembles human hair. It's very soft. It's not tangling, but it will tangle towards the bottom because of how long it is and because the curls are just like thick. It's very thick and full, so you will get tangles, you will get tangles, you will get tangles. And it's not the hair's fault because it's synthetic hair, and regardless, you're always gonna get tangles. So I just wanted to show y'all how fluffy this hair is, and I also wanted to show y'all a back view of the hair. Y'all know I'm filming up against the green wall, so it's hard for me to really stand up, but I still try to show y'all the back sometimes. And the hair is really pretty in the back. It's flowy, it's long, and it's cute. And the crimps are very light and natural, so it's not anything crazy. I keep looking at myself in the screen because this hair is so pretty. But yeah, y'all, like, come on, come on. So that's all I have to say for this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this wig. I would give it, honestly, a 10 out of 10. It's just me being biased because I really love long hair, and I like wavy long hair, and this is perfect. So I love it. I will leave this hair's information in the description box down below so you can check it out and get you one too. It's on Amazon too, and when you get a wig on Amazon, I think it's a little more expensive than buying it from the site, but on Amazon you can get that prime shipping. So check out the Amazon link if you want to get it real quick. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Do you like long hair or no? Is this too much? Do y'all think it's pretty? Do it look like fake hair? Does it? Does it look like synthetic hair? Because to me it does not. Okay, it looks better than my real hair wigs. Like, wow. But yeah, so leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.